Welcome to the new ABOG Portal. This short video will highlight key elements of what we refer to as My Dashboard. When you log in, you'll land on your custom dashboard. All your personalized status information and tasks will reside on this main page. Under the title of My Dashboard, you'll see your ABOG status as pertains to certification. For example, this dashboard is displaying information for an individual who is an active diplomate, pursuing an ABOG subspecialty, and shows the cycle and year pertaining to the Maintenance of Certification program. On the top half of the page are a set of graphics that will contain your personal information for your Maintenance of Certification, such as your article progress, article score, and your performance pathway running average, as well as status information and task progress related to your subspecialty, such as how many days until your exam application is due, and how many years you have left in your eligibility period. Clicking on any graphic will direct you to a page where you can complete that task or to a page with more details. The information displayed here will depend on where you are in the certification process, so you may see different graphics than the ones displayed here. Under the graphics is a list of your certification tasks, where all the tasks that you're required to complete for your annual MOC program will reside, as well as tasks that you're required to complete to become certified by ABOG in your subspecialty. Clicking on a pending task will take you to the page where you may complete that task. You also have the ability here to hide completed tasks or make them visible again. Again, the information displayed here will depend on where you are in the certification process. In the top right corner where your name is listed, you'll see the menu. In this menu, you can access your profile in a section called My Files. On your profile page, you can change your password or email and update your personal information, including your address, phone number, medical licenses, and medical schools. Under My Files, you'll find historical items such as payment receipts, reference to completed MOC tasks, an MOC application summary, exam applications, your certification status letter, and any necessary forms. If you'd like to get back to the dashboard, you can use the dashboard button in the menu or click on the ABOG Portal logo in the top left corner. If you'd like to visit ABOG's public site, click on the abog.org button above the menu. This concludes our video tutorial about the new ABOG Portal dashboard. If you'd like to watch more tutorials about other sections of the new portal, visit the links below in the description of this video or visit our YouTube channel.